Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're showing you how to make pizza, both party size and family size. So before you continue with this video, I would recommend to watch our previous video in which we showed you how to make pizza dough in order to follow along with this recipe. In our party size pizza, we're showing you how to make a very large pizza in which each column has different toppings. And for our family size pizza, you can make for your own family. So you're going to want to start off by flouring a surface. Then you can go ahead and take your pizza dough and flatten it a little bit with your hands, and then using a rolling pin, flatten it as well. Once it is as flat, you can go ahead and cut off the sides. Flatten it out a little bit more so that it fits in your baking tray. And do the exact same thing with another piece and just layer it on top and overlap it and join it from the middle. So for the next step, you're going to need pizza sauce and mozzarella cheese. Before you move along, ensure you poke holes all over the dough using a fork. This will prevent your pizza from having huge bubbles when the dough rises. After that, you can go ahead and cover it with pizza sauce. Try and make sure that you don't get pizza sauce on the very edges, but very close to the edge of your pizza, just so we don't get it on the crust. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and layer on top of the pizza sauce with mozzarella cheese. And you can honestly put as much as you like. I know I like my pizza very, very cheesy. And of course, you can use toppings of your choice. So for our party size pizza, we decided to make the left side chicken and the right side vegetarian. And we decided to divide the chicken side by putting olives on one quarter and bell peppers and green onions on the other quarter. We also added green peppers to the one with the olives, and the other side is just vegetarian, so one of the quarters is just bell peppers along with green onions. And we decided to keep the far right very simple by just putting chili flakes. Obviously, these ingredients are completely up to you. This is just what we did. So after you finish putting all your toppings, you can go ahead and leave it in the oven for approximately 15 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now moving along to our family size pizza, fairly the same steps. You're going to start off by flattening the dough. And once it's flat enough to fit inside your pizza tray, you can go ahead and place it in the pizza tray. And just like before, poke holes all over the dough using a fork. Layer it with the pizza sauce. followed by the mozzarella cheese. For our toppings for this pizza, we decided to put chicken, black olives, just some bell peppers, and green onions. And last but not least, some chili flakes. And just like before, you're going to want to put this in the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 15 minutes. As you can see, our party-sized pizza is ready, so we're going to go ahead and take that out. And 15 minutes later, our family-sized pizza is also ready. As you can see, both of our pizzas turned out absolutely delicious. It's way better than buying pizza from a store because for one, you're saving money, and this is made at home, so you know which ingredients are inside and you know what you're putting inside your body. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on our latest videos, and have a great day.